spanning acres beneath Mount Roko. This is the heart of Kawasaki Heavy Industries.
That aligns with the wind tunnel tests.
We need to verify the alignment of the braking system shown here.
The specifications mention a new tolerance level for this model.
The simulation confirms our hypothesis regarding the chassis deformation. Look at the stress concentration here at joint C7.
That aligns with the material fatigue data.
The final stress test simulations look good. We can begin scaling up the bogie production immediately.
Excellent.
That sleek white coating really makes it look impressive. Confirms the scale too, 25.5 meters easy.
The 25,000-volt current flows from the overhead line through the pantograph and into the inverters.
Lift the main harness on 3.
1, 2, 3, lift.
Securing the connection point now.
Alignment looks good. Proceed with securing the mount.
Torque sequence complete. All bolts secured.
We need to adjust the trajectory slightly on the schematic.
Confirmed. Realignment is necessary before the next stage.
Look at the uniformity of that application.
The aerodynamic profile is exactly as modeled. A true engineering beauty.
The elongated nose cone is designed to spread this pressure change over time, significantly reducing the intensity of the resulting sonic boom.
Lift confirmed. Clear to traverse east.
Copy that. Steady movement.
We have clearance for the final descent.
Data confirms stabilization. Proceed slowly.
The alignment specs look correct according to the tablet.
Okay, guide it down slowly. Watch the clearance.
Securing bolts now.
Running at 360 kilometers per hour, the Shinkansen N700S demonstrates unparalleled stability.
Stability excellent. We finally stabilized the core!
Great work, everyone. We did it.
Project is officially complete.
Thank you. This new high-speed line.
Safety, precision. The $100 million bullet train is a testament to Japanese engineering excellence.